Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to show you how to design a complex 3D model using Rhino 3D. So let's get started and create something amazing together. I began by using the polyline tool to draw the base. Next, I drew two circles and used the trim tool to cut them in half. Then, I extruded these two half circles and rotated one of them by 90 degrees. Using the duplicate border command, I duplicated the border, copied it, and rotated it by 45 degrees, then scaled it for the next part. I applied the loft command to create the middle of the shape. After that, I used the cap command to close the sides of the shape, and then used Boolean union to combine everything into a single shape. Now it's time to add some small details. I drew two solid circles and subtracted them using the Boolean difference command. The main part is the quad remesh tool, which I used for a better finish. If you're not satisfied with the details of the shape like I was, I recommend using the Bevel Sub D tool for an improved result and smooth edges. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss a video. See you in the next tutorial.